What's up, YouTube? This is how I got this damn pulley off here. 72 shovelhead. Use one of them bearing splitters. Tighten out the ratchets, split it a little bit. Got it opened up. Assembled the end. Just started pulling. I've only seen one video of anybody doing this, and he was talking about using a torch, and he didn't even tape it. I wanted to show everybody 72 shovelhead stator. I looked on the internet for this damn video, and it was this simple. So, just so you know, primary, you gotta disassemble it all. But, yeah, that's how you do it. Wasn't that hard. I thought it'd be way harder. But no, this thing, I got, where did I put it? Where did I put it? It's somewhere laying here. Here it is. I'm gonna pull that off with the hat. Looks like it should line up. Forgot the bolts at home. So I'm done for tonight. I went with a big sprocket in the front, small sprocket in the back. It's my 72 shovel. My granddad's bike.